Okay, these are two doves up here. They're up here smooching on my balcony. Oh my goodness. Wow. Thank you, Jesus. He came right to me. Oh my goodness. That is so cool. I'm out here by the pool. I cannot believe it flew to me. Wow. Thank you, Jesus.